Hello, I am the creator behind Math in Demand, and I'm so excited that you have found me. I have many fun, exciting, and engaging math resources. I also have math videos. You will meet my assistant Joseph in my math videos. Oh wait, there he is. Hi Joseph! I'm passionate about helping you shape bright, young minds. My resources will put the excitement back into education. My most popular resources include my math interactive notebooks. My notebooks are very organized and engaging. My best hands-on activities include my wheel foldables. My wheel foldables are very unique and great for studying. So expect to see a ton of great things. If you liked my video, please don't forget to check out my math store. I offer year-long bundles. See you soon!